Inside Apple headquarters, a full tour of Apple Park, everything you need to know. Ever wondered what the inside of Apple's headquarters looks like? Welcome to Apple Park, the futuristic campus where Apple's innovation happens. In this video, I'm giving you an exclusive look at the architecture, design, and the cutting-edge features of the world's most famous tech headquarters. We'll explore the campus, iconic buildings, the Steve Jobs Theater, and more. Stay tuned till the end for some insider facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content. Apple Park is located in Cupertino, California, and covers 175 acres of land. It's home to more than 12,000 employees and was designed by renowned architect Norman Foster and Apple's own design team, led by Johnny Ive. The campus is designed to integrate with the surrounding landscape, making it one of the most eco-friendly corporate campuses in the world. Apple Park's centerpiece is the main building, often referred to as the spaceship, due to its massive circular design. This building is made almost entirely of glass, and it's one of the largest open-plan offices in the world, fostering collaboration and creativity. The building is 4 stories high with 2.8 million square feet of space. It features over 10,000 panels of curved glass. Imagine the precision it took to create these. The Steve Jobs Theater, located on the Apple Park grounds, is a stunning architectural feat. It's where Apple holds its most important product launches and keynotes. The theater's design is inspired by Steve Jobs' vision of creating something that blends technology and nature. The theater sits on a 20-foot-tall glass cylinder, and the roof is made of carbon fiber, making it one of the largest carbon fiber roofs in the world. Inside, you'll find a beautiful 1,000-seat auditorium with curved seating and an 80-foot-wide stage. It's a truly immersive experience. Apple Park isn't just about sleek modern architecture, it's about blending nature with innovation. The campus features over 9,000 trees, including fruit orchards and native California species. It's designed to resemble a park more than a corporate campus. Apple went all out on sustainability. Most of the campus is powered by renewable energy, and there are solar panels on the roof of the main building, helping to power the entire campus. You'll also find a massive central park with walking trails, ponds, and open spaces, offering employees a calming escape right outside their office doors. For those who visit Apple Park, the visitor center is the place to check out. It's home to an Apple store where you can buy exclusive Apple merchandise, and it also features an observation deck with incredible views of the campus. Inside the visitor center, there's a glass bridge that connects the building to the observation area, allowing visitors to see the entire campus layout. You'll also find a cafe where you can enjoy a bite to eat with a view of the surrounding greenery. Apple Park is not just a place to work, it's a place to thrive. There are multiple cafeterias serving organic food, and employees have access to fitness centers, bike paths, and even a wellness center. The design emphasizes employee well-being, with lots of natural light, open spaces, and areas for collaboration and relaxation. Apple Park is an environmentally conscious campus. It's one of the world's most energy-efficient buildings, and the campus is powered by 100% renewable energy, thanks to its solar installations and natural cooling systems. The campus's green roof is covered with over 40 different species of plants, contributing to its sustainability. Apple Park is more than just a headquarters. It's part of Apple's broader vision to change how we think about corporate campuses. This sustainable, innovative space reflects the company's values of design, creativity, and care for the planet.